Now that we have learned numbers up to 60, let us learn some more verbs. Do you remember the verbs that we have already learned? We learned the ER verbs. Do you remember the conjugation for the ER verbs? For example, let us take the verb parler. Do you remember this verb? It means to speak. And it is an ER verb. So, do you remember the conjugation? Let us go over it once again. So, for je, we say je parle. For tu, tu parles. For il, it is il parle. For elle, it is elle parle. For nous, it is nous parlons. Nous parlons. For vous, vous parlez. For il, it is il parle. For elle, it is elle parle. So, what are the endings? We would remove ER and replace it with E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT and ENT. So, I hope you remember this ER conjugation. I am repeating it because it is a very important type of verb. Today, we are going to learn a new verb. Prendre. Prendre. It means to take. Prendre. Okay, this verb means to take. Now, shall we learn the conjugation for this? For je, it is je prends. P-R-E-N-D-S. Je prends. For tu, it is tu prends. It is the same. For il, it is il prend. P-R-E-N-D. Il prend. Je prends. Tu prends. Il prend. For elle also, it is the same. Elle prend. So this conjugation is different from the normal ER conjugation. It ends with RE, prendre. So this is the conjugation. Now for nous. For nous, it is nous prenons. Nous prenons. For vous, it is vous prenez. Nous prenons. Vous prenez. For il, it is il prend. But the spelling is different. P-R-E-N-N-E-N-T. For elle, also, it is the same. Elle prend. So, shall we say it once again? Je prends. Prendre means to take. So, what does je prends mean? It means I take. I take. Je prends. Tu prends. What does it mean? It means you take. Tu prends. Il prend. What does il prend mean? It means he takes. Elle prend. Elle prend means she takes. So, je prends, I take. Tu prends, you take. Il prend, he takes. Elle prend, she takes. Nous prenons. Nous prenons. We take. Nous prenons. Vous prenez is you take. Vous prenez. Ils prennent means they take. And elles prennent also means they take. So, shall we say it once again? Je prends, I take. Tu prends, you take. Il prend, he takes. Elle prend, she takes. Nous prenons, we take. Vous prenez, you take. Il prend, they take. Elles prennent, they take. So, I hope you have understood the conjugation of the verb prendre. So, you can make small sentences with this. For example, to say, I had breakfast. How would you say? I take breakfast. Je prends. So, for je, this is the conjugation. Je prends le Je prends le petit déjeuner. This it means I had breakfast. So this is the use of this verb prendre. It means to take. Now shall we learn one more verb? This verb is also a bit different. It is voir. It is pronounced voir. It means to see. Voir. Note the pronunciation, it is voir. So, let us learn how to conjugate this verb. I'll write down the subject pronouns first. So, for je, we say je vois. Je vois, I see. For tu, we say tu vois, you see. For il, we say il voit. The pronunciation may sound the same, but the spellings are different. So kindly take note of the spellings. Je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit. For nous, it is nous voyons. For vous, it is vous voyez, you see. For il, it is ils voyons, ils voyons, and elles voyons. So here, what you have to do is you have to learn the spellings. It comes only through practice. So kindly, the verbs that I am teaching you, kindly note it down and keep practicing it every day. So, je vois, I see. Tu vois, it means you see. Il voit means he sees. Elle voit means she sees. Nous voyons. What does that mean? It means we see. Vous voyez. It means you see. Ils voyons. It means they see. Elles voyons means they see. So, je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit, nous voyons, vous voyez, il voit, elle voit. So, I hope you have understood the conjugation of the verb voir. So, we have learnt two verbs today. They are prendre and voir. What does prendre mean? It means to take. And what does voir means? It means to see. So, we will be learning 2 or 3 verbs for a day, and you need to keep practicing the same verbs over and over again to learn the conjugation.